In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into a Reddit post. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account and you're on the homepage. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create. This is the main starting point for making any new post. Go ahead and click on Create. Once you click it, Reddit will open the Post Composer. Here, you'll see different options, such as creating a text post, an image or video post, or a link style post, depending on the version of Reddit you're using. If you want your post to primarily point people to a website, an article, a YouTube video, or any other online page, choose the option that allows you to share a link, often called link, or sometimes just handled in the regular post editor. Now, you'll want to add a title. This is really important on Reddit because the title is what most people see first and what helps them decide whether to click. Type in a clear, descriptive title that lets people know what your link is about. Avoid clickbait and make sure it matches the content you're sharing. Next, move down to the area where you can insert the link. If there's a dedicated field labeled URL or link, paste the full web address there. If you're writing a text post and want to embed a link inside your text, type the words you want to turn into a link, highlight them, and then click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. A small box will pop up asking for the URL. Paste your link into that box and confirm. The text you highlighted will now become a clickable link. Before you post, double check that your link works correctly. You can quickly open it in a new tab to make sure it loads and goes exactly where you expect. It's also a good idea to review the subreddit rules where you're posting. Some communities have specific guidelines about what types of links are allowed, how often you can share them, or whether you need to add extra context in the text area. When everything looks good, select the subreddit you want to post to, if you haven't done that already, and then click the button to post or submit. Reddit will publish your post with the link included, and other users will now be able to click through to the page you've shared.